Aberystwyth, Llanbedr, Pensaern, Llanbannan, Tigwyn, Tawsarnau, Llanbecwyn, Holyhead and Aberystwyth are request stops, and passengers for these stations should ask the conductor on the train to arrange for the train to stop to allow them to alight. The next train to arrive at platform 7B will be the 1716 Arriva Trains Wales service to Cardiff Central, calling at Church Stretton, Craven Arms, Ludlow, Leinster, Hereford, Aberystwyth, Cumberland, Newport and Cardiff Central. Platform 7B for the 1716 Arriva Trains Wales service to Cardiff Central. When boarding the train, please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge. The train now approaching platform 7B is the 1716 Arriva Trains Wales service to Cardiff Central, calling at Church Stretton, Craven Arms, Ludlow, Leinster, Hereford, Aberystwyth, Cumberland, Newport and Cardiff Central. Platform 7B or 1716 Arriva Trains Wales service to Cardiff Central. Should ask the conductor on the train to arrange for the train to stop to allow them to alight. The next train to arrive at platform 4B will be the 1725 Arriva Trains Wales service to Holyhead, calling at Gilbowen, Chirk, Rutland, Wrexham General, Chester, Shotton, Flint, Prestatyn, Rill, Aberystwyth and Pensaern, Colwyn Bay, Llandudno Junction, Bangor, Llanfair Court, Bodorgan, Teacoy, Rosnager, Ballary and Holyhead. Platform 4B for the 1725 Arriva Trains Wales service to Holyhead. When boarding the train, please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge. Llanfair Court, Bodorgan, Teacoy, Rosnager and Valley are request stops.
Train now arriving at platform 4B, 1725 Arriva Trains Wales service to Holyhead. Stay platform alteration today. Platform 4B to Gilbowen, Chirk, Rutland, Wrexham General, Chester, Flint, Prestatyn, Rill, Colwyn Bay, London Junction, Bangor and Holyhead. Platform alteration, platform 4B, 1725 Arriva Trains Wales service to Holyhead.
arrive at platform 4B will be the 1725 Arriva Trains Wales service to Holyhead, calling at Bowen, Chirk, Rwabon, Wrexham General, Chester, Shotton, Flint, Prestatyn, Brill, Abergele and Pensan, Colwyn Bay, Llandudno Junction, Bangor, and